I'm going to give you a very quick live demo, but before that, an overview of what's going on. We have three main things functioning that power what's going on in the dashboards. We have hubs. They collect the information when they're tagged. We have widgets. They surface the information in relevant spaces. And micro apps, power functions within the template. That's all you need to know about those for now. The demo project, as an example, will show you how everything gets set up. We have a scratch pad, which is where you put any information, tasks, resources, meetings, contact information, anything at all, and you would tag them. And the idea is they are collected by these widgets, new tasks, new resources, and you can send them to where they need to be. The idea from that is that everything within this space you can access. If I zoom out a little bit, we can see a bit more. All tasks are collected. You have a planner to move items and set dates. Contact information for the connected client is associated here. Resources connected to the project are brought in, and finances are totaled up as well. The idea is that you can send all these items to the hub, it's collected, and it stays there. The widgets will bring them further forward when everything's needed to be done, and you have other items like project checklists and ways of getting content in by connecting items to different hubs. For example, I'm going to build a project now with you, and we'll start off with a client. I'll use my own business, Simon Creates, and we're going to talk about doing a website redesign for Simon Creates, starting now until the end of May. Quite a long project, but we'll deal with it, and we'll tag that as project. There's some work which we'll go through, automatically tag your client, set the due date, and put the status into not started, ready for you to start entering information in. As you go through, you can take a whole task list, tag them all as task, or do them all individually. And if it's linked correctly, it will ask you to go to the hub. So you send it, and it will be collected. We can do the same with all of these. Set them all as tasks, and we can send these guys to the hub. But actually, I want to start this one now. So you can press start. Starting it will move it to the hub, setting a status, and then you've got a space to put everything through. All tasks are collected. Same can be said for any resources. And then you can send them to storage, and they'll always show up, and now they're out of sight and out of mind until you need them. When you are not inside the project, and let's say you've got some expenses that you needed to add to the project, we can tag them as expense, and items will ask you to set them up. So I know the project is website revamped. If I go into this guy, we shall start to see finances. If I tag the expense, or if I'm tagged outside, I can hit setup, and I can go back to the project that Simon Creates. And if I go into that project, you'll see it's linked. Even when I send it to the hub, it will stay linked. Hubs collect, widgets display everything when needed.